What's going on, folks? Mr. Fascinate here, and I am talking to you about 5 shocking photos of animals that are actually real. Alright, first up, this x-ray of a pregnant dog. Wow, that's a lot of little baby skeletons inside of a dog. I've never seen anything like that before. That's pretty odd. Next up, the eye of a gecko. Yeah, this is pretty weird. I've never seen anything like this before. It's beautiful, mysterious, very pattern-like. Well, anyway, next we have an owl with his pants pulled up. Well, okay, I actually had no idea that owls look like this. You know, when you take their feathers out, he looks a little exposed, a little uncomfortable. Well, anyway, the fourth and final item on our list here is a curly-haired horse. Yeah, these guys are real, and well, I think his curl pattern's a little bit better than mine. Thanks so much, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed that, because I did. Until next time, Fascinators.